everyone, I am back with my new video. So today I will discuss about unhealthy food habits that we usually do in our daily routine. First of all, we will talk about eating too much of sugars and sweets. So eating too much of sugars and sweets will not only gain weight but as well as it has a negative impact on our body. So it will gain blood sugar levels in your body. It will have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, high heart problems. So to avoid all these problems, we must avoid sugar. If you cannot avoid it, you must lower the portion size. We can cut down the portion size from our daily routine. If we are having 2 spoons of sugar in a cup of tea, we can go to 1 spoon of sugar in a cup of tea. We can cut down. We can cut down the unnecessary sugar items from our daily routine to have a better life. And second and the most important point, I will discuss that eating while using your gadgets. If we are eating while using our gadgets, we are not aware that what we are eating and at what portion we have eaten. So from eating while using gadgets, 2 major issues are there. First, overweight, and second, underweight. As somebody has eaten too much that they are not aware that they have eaten, and someone has eaten nothing and they are not aware that they have not eaten anything from such a long time. So to avoid these two problems, we must eat our food first and then we should go for our gadgets. Third, we should eat our food slowly. These days we are eating our food too much fastly that the food is not digested properly. Not digested, but it is not getting breakdown properly. Not only this, it will lead to weight gain as well as insulin resistant. So you all are wondering, what is insulin resistant? Yes, insulin resistant means high blood sugar level in your body. It will lead to type 2 diabetes. So to avoid all these, we must eat our food slowly and chewing properly, that it should break down properly and digest it. So next, I will talk about stress. These days when people take a lot of stress, it will lead to health, the health will worsen. So how? When you will take stress, hormone named cortisol will be released in your body. So what will that hormone do? Cortisol is a hunger hormone that will give cravings to you and you will feel hungry and you will eat a lot. Then you will gain weight and many other disorders like high cholesterol, high blood pressure, high sugar levels in your body. So if we will not take stress, cortisol hormone will not be released and we will not be feeling hungry. So basically, we should avoid stress for our better health. Next, I will talk about exercise. We all are not at all exercising these days. We must do exercise. Rather, it's a 30 minutes walk or a gym. We must do. If you don't want to do these, we can go for yoga also or meditation, but we must do so that the fats and calories should be burnt out and we should be living a fit life. If you are not going to gym, we can go for cycling, we can go for walking, simple walking for 45 minutes at least. So next I will discuss about having late night foods. Some of the people have cravings after dinner for late night. That is also bad for your health. Why? If you are having late night cravings, you will go for potato chips, packed foods and these all things. We will not prefer that we should eat fruits, roasted makhanas, kernels. But we will go for potato chips, packed foods, chips, breads, these items. Basically, we go for bakery items. So, if you have late night cravings, we must go for the healthier options that will not gain weight and it is good for your health. If you will go for bakery items, it is high. high in cholesterol, it will store fats and calories in your body. It will not be burnt out and digested properly. So in return, it will gain weight as well as high cholesterol levels, high blood pressure. So to avoid these, we must go for the good options like roasted makhanas, pulmals and fruits. So lastly, I will discuss about skimping on sleep. Skimping means we have less sleep. We are not taking sleep properly. An adult should have 7 to 8 hours of sleep in a daily routine. So, you all will be wondering how sleep can affect our health. If you will not sleep, it will worsen your health. Because if you will not sleep, you will feel hungry, you will be having cravings, then you will go for chocolates, you will be going for bakery items, chips and all these. So to avoid all these things, we must have to take 7 to 8 hours sleep. And sleep is also very important as it will give a rest to all your digestive systems, absorption systems, all your body parts. And basically your brain, your stress will be also relieved if you will have a proper sleep. So I wish that you all should start a good and healthier life from today itself. In starting, you will be facing some problems as you have altered your sugar portion sizes and you have switched to decaf and you have already or you have switched to a basically you have switched to healthier lifestyle. So it will be problematic for 3 to 4 days, but then you will be used to it and you will be enjoying it as you will be having a better healthy lifestyle. Thank you and have a nice day. Hope you like my video. Please do like, share and subscribe.